I told you that our beautiful earth is fighting three giant enemies at the same time. And here is the shocking part. These three enemies are secretly helping each other become stronger. Today, we are going to make an amazing school EVS project that reveals this hidden mystery. Stay till the end because I will ask you a tricky quiz that almost everyone gets wrong. Wow! Look at this beautiful EVS project. Doesn't it look like a nation level school exhibition chart? Today, I will show you exactly how to draw it step by step. Don't worry if you are not good at drawing. Just follow me and you will make this amazing project with ease. As always, we begin with the foundation. Draw a neat decorative leaf border around the chart. Now write the title Triple Planetary Crisis. Below it, write three big problems, one planet. Let's draw a large Earth and a bright sun. At this stage, our sketch is only about 20% complete. Great start. Let's keep going. Now our project starts becoming interesting. Let's draw a factory with tall chimneys, add a flowing river, draw healthy trees, sketch a thermometer, finally add a plastic bottle lying on the ground. Finally, add a plastic bottle lying on the ground. Can you already guess what this project is about? If yes, write your answer in the comment before I explain. Now let's complete almost the entire drawing. Add a deer, a butterfly, a bee, a small bird. Now draw practice smoke rising into the sky. Add a forest. Draw recycling symbols. Finally, collect all three sections with arrow. Why arrows? Because these three problems are connected. We will discover how in just a moment. Leave the bottom. How can we save Earth? Section blank for now. Our outline is now ready. Every drawing has been finished carefully. The solution section is complete. The border is complete, but there is no still color. Now comes everyone's favorite part, that is coloring stage. We will color only the climate change section first. Use bright orange and yellow for the sun, blue and white for melting glacier, red and orange for the forest fire, brown for the cracked land. Notice how colorful just one section already looks. Now let's move to the pollution. Color the factory, the smoke, the polluted river, the plastic waste, but read the biodiversity section as a pencil sketch. See how a project slowly comes alive. That's the magic of coloring step by step. Now color the biodiversity loss section. Green trees, brown tree stump, cute deer, beautiful butterfly, busy little bee, blue bird. Keep the decorative border as pencil. Well, we will collect this at last. And wow! Look at this. Everything is now beautifully colored. Bright colors, neat handwriting, amazing illustration, a decorative border. This looks exactly like a competition winning school exhibition project. If your teacher saw this, I'm sure it would grab everyone's attention. But what exactly is triple planetary crisis? Let's understand it in a simple way. Imagine our Earth as a patient in a hospital. Sadly, the Earth isn't suffering from just one problem. It has three major problems at the same time. Number one, climate change. Factories, vehicles, and burning fuels release harmful gases. These gases trap heat around our planet. As a result, temperature rise, glacier melts, forest fires increases, floods and droughts become more common. Our climate begins to change faster than nature can handle. Number two, pollution. Smoke pollutes the air, plastic pollutes river and ocean, garbage pollutes the land, dirty water harms fish, animals accidentally eat plastic and become sick. Even humans breathe polluted air every day. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, plastic pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. Number three, biodiversity loss. Our forests are disappearing. Animals lose their homes. Some species become endangered. Others disappear forever. When one species disappears, the entire food chain becomes weaker. Nature loses its balance. Deforestation, habitat loss, disrupted food chain, ecosystem imbalance. Here is the big secret. These three crises are connected. Climate change causes more forest fire destroy animal homes, pollution harms plants and animals. Fewer forests mean more climate change. It's like three dominoes falling together. That's why scientists call it the triple planetary crisis. How can we save Earth? The good news is every child can help. Plant more trees, recycle waste, ride a bicycle whenever possible, reduce plastic use, save water every day. Small actions by millions of people can create a huge difference. Now let's see the border. You can draw a border with beautiful leaves, flowers, clouds, birds. Here is an amazing fact. Scientists from around the world officially recognize climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss as the triple planetary crisis. Because solving one problem often helps solve the other two as well. They are connected. That means every good action counts twice or even three times. Time for today's challenge. Which of these is not part of triple planetary crisis? Climate change, pollution, biodiversity loss, rainfall. Pause the video, comment your answer. I will reveal it in just a moment. Think carefully, you know more than you think. You are awesome. Keep learning, keep caring. So I reveal the answer. The answer is rainfall. Rainfall is a natural weather event, not one of the three crises. Stay curious, stay careful, save our earth. If you enjoyed making this amazing EVS project, don't stop here. Every week we create new school projects, science experiment, English learning videos, and fun educational content that help students learn faster and score better. Like this video, tell me in the comment which EVS project you would love and you would like next. Share this video with your classmates. They will thank you when it's time for their school exhibition. And don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Clarity Academy. Turn on the bell icon because your next award winning school project is coming very soon. Until then, keep learning, keep creating, and keep making our earth a better place. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.